Hey everybody, so I've been using Google Forms as the CMS that I've been analyzing and assessing, and I use Google Forms in more earnest over this last school year, even though it's been a very crazy school year. I haven't had a chance really to explore it in more depth, and this course has allowed me to do so. And one of the features that really hit me the most as far as having a lot of potential and how I form my assessments is determining which section within the quiz a student would go to based on their answer. And for me, this is a way to help students either move on to the next question if they got it right, or review and think metacognitively about why they might have gotten it wrong, check on a misconception and correct it right within the assessment. So here I have my mock-up assessment, and I have a passage of text that they're reading about genocide. And they have to read this text and answer the question based on context clues, which statement below best describes the author's use of the term bipolar society. Here's the correct answer right here. So if they do choose it, they will go on to section 14. If they choose any of the other ones, they go to section 13. And the way that you actually get to this point is in a multiple choice item in Forms. You go to your options here, and you just turn on go to section based on answer. So here we see that if you can select wherever you want them to go. Okay, so if the student's going on to 13, they're asked to kind of rethink what it is, why did you choose this? What made you think that that particular passage is the one that defines a bipolar society? So that's really the one that's a kind of a game changer for me. I'm excited to start including this into my assessments in the coming school year. And that is my assessment of this particular feature of Google Forms.